In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Shopify payments. Shopify payments lets you accept card payments directly through Shopify, so you do not have to rely on a separate payment processor. It can also streamline your checkout experience because the payment flow stays within your store. To get started, you will open your Shopify admin and head to the right place in the settings. Begin by going to Settings and then selecting Payments in your Shopify admin. On screen, you will typically see a section that lists different payment methods or providers. Click into the Payments area so you can manage how customers pay and how you receive payouts. This is the control center for payment setup, so it is important to start here rather than in a different menu. Next, click Activate Shopify Payments. After you choose that option, Shopify will guide you through the setup process. You might be asked to confirm that you are ready to enable the service. This step matters because it signals to Shopify that you want to turn on Shopify payments for your store, and it prepares the system to collect the information needed to verify and connect your business. Now you will enter your business, personal, and banking information. Take your time with this part. You want everything to match what your bank and legal records show. Shopify may ask for details that help verify your identity and your business eligibility. It may also request information related to your payout destination, such as the account that will receive funds. If you have the required documents available, it can make this step faster and reduce the chance of errors. As you enter the information, double-check the spelling, numbers, and formatting to ensure there are no mistakes that could delay verification. While you are filling out these fields, keep an eye on any on-screen prompts or validation messages. Sometimes Shopify will highlight items that need attention, such as missing details or data that does not match the expected format. If you see those alerts, address them before moving forward. This helps the activation process go smoothly and reduces the need to return later. After you finish entering your details, click Confirm and Submit. This is the point where Shopify processes the information you provided. At this stage, you are not just saving settings in the background, you are submitting the data for verification and payout setup. If you have multiple forms to complete on the page, make sure you have completed all required sections before confirming, so you can avoid an interruption. Once you submit, Shopify will move you toward the next part of the configuration. To finalize your payout settings, you will then connect a bank account. This step ensures that when customers pay for orders, payouts will be sent to the correct banking destination. It also helps Shopify know exactly where to route your funds. To connect the bank account, look for the option that says Connect a Bank Account. Follow the prompts to select or link your bank account. Depending on the available options, you may need to authenticate through your bank connection method or provide bank details through the required fields. The goal is to finish the payout setup so Shopify can send funds to you automatically based on your store's payout schedule. After the bank account connection is complete, verify that Shopify shows your payout settings as connected or confirmed. If there is a status indicator, it should reflect that the payout destination is ready. Spend a moment here to confirm everything looks correct, since this is what ties your payment activity to where money will be deposited, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to set up Shopify payments, from activating the service to connecting your bank account for payouts.